morning, everyone. We are here at XCon 2023, and we are having P V Ramdev sir himself. And let's start this conversation with a brief introduction of sir.
Yeah, myself Ramdev, Managing Director of Everest Engineering Equipment Private Limited. We are into the business of mainly into the passenger cum material hoist and tower cranes, then tower crane anti-collision systems. We also deal with various rebar processing machines, CNC based rebar processing machines like stirrup bunders, pile cage machines and lattice girder machines. Also we are into the business of launching gantry, which is used for the bridge construction, high-speed railway, metro, all these things, and straddle carriers and heavy modular transporters. So we are here to display all our products and explain our service capability to the Indian industry.
If we talk about more about XCon 2023, from how long you are participating in XCon, and what kind of changes do you see in the previous year or the current year, and how XCon is helping you to grow?
In fact, we are participating from 2011 in the exhibitions like XCon. This is the biggest construction equipment show in India. Now it is having the biggest. Last, I think about 8 years, this become the biggest. So every construction equipment manufacturer from all over the world coming to XCon. We are also here, so we can boost our business in this XCon as usual. This year also we are getting a lot of inquiries and our stall is getting crowded. So we are very happy to be here.
Okay, and do you have any new launch over here, and what are the key features of that?
Yes, we have a new launch of passenger hoist, which is the biggest passenger hoist ever made in the world. That is 3.2 tons of twin cages. Total capacity is 6.4 tons, operating on single mast. That is the speciality of this hoist. Also, the length of the cage, hoist cage can be adjusted from 4 meter or 3.6 meter, 3.2 meter. The customer need not buy a separate hoist according to their length requirement. The same hoist can be used with various length. Also, this hoist have two speeds of 46 meter per minute with 3.2 ton. If you reduce the capacity by 500 kilos, then the speed can be increased to 63 meter per minute. So this is the speciality of this hoist, and which is much awaited innovation from GJJ, which is the world famous brand. GJJ's presence is there in every country in the world. You name any country in North America, South America or Europe, GJJ is there. So their innovation will be an excellent surprise to the industry, and which will be a fast moving equipment.
Sir, as safety is the important concern for every equipment company, so what kind of safety measures do you provide to your employees or customers?
Regarding the safety, we have a separate safety department which many of the companies don't have. We follow the ISO 45001 safety standards. That's why we got entry into Tata Steel in Kalinga Nagar. We supplied 4 units to Tata Steel. We maintain the highest safety standards in our operation of our company, as well as the passenger hoist, which is passed the European safety standards and got CE certificate for this passenger hoist. So entire safety requirement for handling the human on heights, the standard hoist what I explained about just now can go up to a height of 500 meters. So such buildings are not yet come up in India. The maximum height we supplied in India is 300 meters. So above that the buildings are not yet come. So we are capable to handle up to 500 meters with our standard passenger hoist. The safety measures same as specified in European standards.
Sir, how Everest is adopting new technological advancements?
We are working on various factors of advancement, including the artificial intelligence, how we can incorporate artificial intelligence and minimize the power consumption of the equipment. We already reduced the power consumption by 35% on this particular hoist coming from GJJ. So we have an R&D center in India also. So we are continuously improving the requirements of the market as well as reducing the power consumption. Our manufacturing plant is about to come up in another 8 to 9 months' time near Mumbai with the license agreement from GJJ. So the construction is almost completed, and you can expect this particular high-class hoist to roll out in 2024.
So what is your future outlook for construction industry?
That's a good question. The construction industry is growing like anything in India, and we expect around 20% growth every year. Now we can foresee that for next 10 to 15 years it is confirmed, but still depends on which ministry is coming in the central government is also an important factor, but still it will grow in a very high pace.
And wrapping up this conversation, what will be your biggest takeaway from XCon 2020?
Biggest takeaway is the quite new customers came into our stall. More new customers, which is not expected in this exhibition. So we could able to meet many new customers, and we could able to explain them what the speciality in our equipments, which is user friendly. Also, we could able to establish our service setup in India, that our service engineer reach any part of India within 24 hours. That is our commitment.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.